Hi guys, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel again, continuing our tour of Beaches Resort in Negril. As you guys can see, this resort is right on the beach. It's awesome. It's on the 7-mile stretch of the 7-mile beach in Negril. Anyway, you got these areas here that you can reserve, which are awesome. But if you are a beach person, this is a resort for you. It really is awesome, especially if you have kids. You get everything from little floats out there that you can go to on the beach. You've got all sorts of water sports, everything from the Hobie Cats, which are the sailboats. They have tubing. They get some form of water skiing. Pretty much, you can go snorkeling out on. You can see there's one of the boats right there. And you can take you on a snorkeling trip. You can do scuba diving if you're a diver. If not, you can get certified on site at an additional cost. Once you're certified, you can go diving pretty much anywhere in the world. They are PADI certified resort, and they got all these little spots, these little sitting spots. And we're going to be approaching Pirates Island here shortly. As you can see a glimpse of it right now, which is the water park for the kids. Again, I just mentioned that we've been to beaches, Turks and Caicos. The water park there is much larger, but this one's got enough for the little guys and little gals, and it's also got some bigger slides to keep both little and bigger ones both entertained, including some of the adults. You got these little beach bars and dining areas out here. You can see. So it's all about the beach out here. That's what it's about. Some resorts, it's all about the pool. Here, they've got enough pools, but make no mistake about it, it's primarily about the beach here. So, if you're looking for a great family vacation, with almost guaranteed good weather, I mean, Jamaica is awesome. Here's the exit for some of the water slides. Again, there's the kiddie area, little lazy river. Again, plenty to keep everybody occupied. And they've got the pool area here. The pool area near the water park. So they've got a couple of large pools here as well. How you doing, sir? And then here they've got the pool bar. It's got a swim up side to it and the regular side to it. Kelly and I ate here earlier, mariachi. The nice thing about mariachi is more Mexican themed, but if you're not into Mexican themed or you want to mix and match, we also ate at the barbecue park here, and they'll bring you some of that food over to the other restaurant as well, with a glimpse of the menu. I'm preparing. Hello. And that's Kimonos, which is the hibachi type place. Hello. Which does your teppanyaki hibachi. So but you definitely need reservations for that one and the Italian restaurant. Here's Yo-Yo's Yogurt Bar, which you can get ice cream and yogurt or whatnot. Hello.
How are you?
Hi guys, how are you?
I'm great.
Good. So we can get some yogurt. Self-serve yogurt with all the toppings, which I'm sure you've had back home at some point. And here's where you have kids clubs from all ages. these kids can hang out. So there's different age brackets for the kids. Kids camp, as you can see.
Upstairs.
You can see some of the kids coming through. Then we've got the Xbox lounge. You can play Xbox. Which is kind of cool. So your kids will love this lounge. Here you can play pretty much any video game you want, especially at night. So really cool little spot.
You remember me?
And over here they've got the Red Lane Spa, which is awesome. Before we get to the Red Lane Spa, they've also got a little pool area for the kids club. So here's what they call Red Lane Fitness, which is for those of you who want to go exercise and burn off some of that all-inclusive stuff. Everything from treadmills to ellipticals. They've also got another area here, which is going to have more of your free weights. And some of the machines. I try to avoid this area as much as possible when I'm on vacation. But for those of you who like to exercise when on vacation, it's a great spot. There's a little hot tub here in the spa area. But as you can see, the landscaping here is beautiful. Most of the buildings are not very tall, as the laws did not permit it years ago. I guess now you can build some of these buildings a bit taller. But here everything's pretty low, so you don't get those huge, massive high rises. It's just a great spot. Again, my kids have not been here yet. They've only been to Beaches, Turks and Caicos, which again is much bigger. I was a little worried I'd be disappointed at this place, but I gotta say, I'm more impressed than I thought I would be. It's more of a chill, relaxed feel. There's enough going on. I mean, if you got older kids, you might feel inclined to let them roam around a bit more here because it's not so big, but it's big enough. I mean, you can definitely find places to hide, places to hang out. Here's the dive shop, by the way. Right there. There's a basketball court you can hang out at. They have these little hammocks all over the place. So anyway, guys, this is just a quick little short video of Beaches Negril. There's a wedding going on here. Don't want to disrupt them. So like I said, just a quick little tour of Beaches Negril. Give you a little bit of a feel for it. Weather's great, resort's great, people are great, food has been great. I've got nothing to complain about whatsoever. Anyway, this is Wilson with Anchors Away Travel. If you like this video, please like it below and hit the link below for more information. Please contact Kelly Furtado at anchorsawaytravelri.com. Thanks, make it a great day.